Hyundai in Huntsville, Alabama is promising an out-of-this-world experience. It's in their commercials. It's on their website. If you're going to do that, if you're going to live up to the hype, how do you do it? How do you prevent the hunt for keys, the hunt for vehicles, the extended wait times in service, the affected CSI scores? So let's take a minute to talk about the problems that they were facing. I have a feeling a lot of these are going to probably sound familiar to your store.
We'd lose 15 to 20 minutes just trying to find a key. We'd get busy on a Saturday and keys simply get misplaced.
Sometimes the car was out back or working through recon or simply parked in the wrong spot. This would eat up small amounts of time. Eventually, these started to add up over the month.
I can't have my team searching through desks and ripping the keyboard apart trying to find keys. We needed them to be trackable where everyone could find them.
But this is where things got really cool, because we got them set up with TrueSpot. They can now track the location of a vehicle, right? And the keys anywhere on the campus. All they simply do, when they do their walk around, throw this on the rearview mirror, right? This is now trackable. Make sure 50/50 lands on your RO. The second piece is they click this on the keys, also has a matching number. So when they search 50/50, it's going to show them the location of the key and the vehicle. Let's show you what that looks like. I jump in. Let's pretend we were searching for tag number 4, for example. I jump into tag 4. It shows me the location of the vehicle first and then tells me right above the map, hey, service lot southwest. And I can zoom out, zoom in to see the exact location. Then I can jump over to the key and it's going to show me and tell me the key location. So right now I can see this key is in the service building, but right above it, it'll tell me, hey, it's in the service shop and service bays 10 and 12. So all I've got to do if I need to find that key, get over to that pin drop. When I get really close to it, I can then hit the find a tag button. This will walk me within 1 to 2 feet of that key. I'm going to click on this button. It's going to pull up this. It's then going to start pinging this tag really fast. There's an LED inside the tag that will start to flash. Secondarily, as I walk around in the bay, as I get closer to that tag, the white ball will start to move down towards the immediate section. When I get to immediate, I'm within 1 to 2 feet of that tag. So this will walk all these guys right up to a set of keys. So they're not spending 15 minutes anymore searching for a key to do work on it to get it back to a customer. Now the desktop dashboard is things get even more fun for this dealership now. As you can see, I can turn on the pins and see the location of every single key on the campus. They will never again have to worry about accidentally leaving a key inside of a car or dropping it when they're getting it out. So if they're out here on the lot and they're looking around going, hey, I've got some keys floating around out here, they can hover over it or click in the geofenced area and it'll present them with a list of every key that's currently in this region. So they can see tag number 237, 225, 184, 126, and so on. So this way, at the end of a night, you could see how this would be great for close of business to simply hover it and go, hey man, I've got a key sitting out on the west retail lot. Last thing you want to do is leave a key in the car. It's a smart key. They can hop in. It's now unlocked and they can drive across the lot and it's stolen and gone forever. This eliminates that issue completely. This also eliminates all that wasted time searching for a key that's not on the keyboard or with the RO where it's supposed to be because it got left in a cup holder while they were moving around with 3 and 4 cars. Now, if a key tag or a vehicle tag leaves the campus, let's talk about how we can deal with that. So up here at the top of the menu, you're going to see I have last sightings. I have it for inventory and I have it for keys. What that means is if a tag, such as the car tag that I'm holding, was to leave the campus, it would immediately start a timer on this specific tag number. So what would happen is it would start that timer, then I could come over and go, hey, do I have any vehicle tags that have been off the campus for more than 4 hours? Well, yes, absolutely you do. You've got 4 right now. Here's a list of the 4 tags that have been off the campus for more than 4 hours. Now, if you're saying 4 hours is kind of a big time slot, could I shorten that? Absolutely. I can set you with alerts. Let's say you wanted it for 1 hour. I can set you up to receive an email alert or a team of people to receive an email alert anytime a vehicle tag has been off the campus for more than 1 hour. But additionally, I can even tell you exactly when it left and exactly where it was last seen. So you'd be able to come up here and go, okay, this left on 5/20/25 at 10:45 a.m. And I can see the last location it was seen before it left the campus. Now, vehicles don't disappear quite as often as small things like keys. So understand you have that exact same setup for keys. You can come up here, you can scroll across the top and go, hey, I want to go to last sightings for keys. You get to it, and then you go, okay, what's been gone for more than 4 hours? You've got 2 sets of keys have been gone. Over to the right side, that's service tag number 184 and 226 have been off the campus for more than 4 hours. Now, part of providing an out-of-this-world experience means when you drop a vehicle off for service, it's not going to sit there for 4 days if it needs an oil change or some spark plugs or something basic. So you need to make sure that vehicles don't fall through the cracks. Things are getting worked on efficiently. That's what the purpose of this report is. In service, these guys can come in here and say, hey, show me any vehicle tag that's been sitting stagnant and hasn't moved. So they can pick the amount of days and go, okay, what hasn't moved in one single day? And they'll get a list of service tags. What hasn't moved in 2 single days? And they get a smaller list of tags. They can keep going up this list. When I get to 3, I may go, why have these vehicles not moved in 3 days? It hasn't been pulled into the shop, hasn't been pulled out of the shop, hasn't been test driven. What's going on with these? Are we holding on a part? Are we holding on a customer approval? If not, I want to make sure these don't fall through the cracks so that I can provide the experience I'm promising my customers and continue to make money moving ROs. Now, every service department can relate to the issues that they were struggling with. Can't find keys, they're coming off keyboards and getting misplaced. Can't locate cars, they've been parked in odd spots. This is all adding time. Time is affecting CSI scores. CSI scores are dropping. These are things we can relate to. But I want to talk to you, since they've switched to TrueSpot, what are the results that they're looking at now?
Our handoffs between service advisors and techs has become much smoother. Our team isn't trying to figure out where a key is or hunt down the right person to ask. It has really helped eliminate a lot of friction.
We can find keys in cars and focus on the work we need to do and the experience we are dedicated to providing.
Customer wait times are down, which is great because it shows in our CSI scores.
Bentley Hyundai has turned chaos into calm with TrueSpot. They're faster, they're smarter, and they're ready for what's next. In a world where it seems we're surrounded by chaos all the time in the automotive space, I'd argue their customer experience is out of this world.